Your site isn't just a pile of blog posts, it's an ecosystem. But if you're not guiding readers toward your Cornerstone pages, they'll miss out on valuable content, and you'll miss a major opportunity to boost engagement, surface key information, and improve your ranking potential. The Webpage Content Focus inside Next Level Marketing AI fixes that. It helps you direct traffic to important pages on your site, like pillar content or evergreen educational resources, by weaving them naturally into the content your audience is already exploring. This is a powerful strategy to increase time on site, improve internal linking, and boost your site's SEO. Let's walk through how to set one up together. Start by heading to the left-hand menu and clicking Add Content Focus. That'll bring you here to the Content Focus setup screen. From the Content Focus type drop-down, choose Web Page. That unlocks the fields we need. For the label, pick something short and recognizable like AI for Sales Pillar Page. Under Web Page name, use the full title of the page. I'll go with The Ultimate Guide to Using AI for Sales Teams. For web page URL, paste in the direct link to that page. I'll use this link. And finally, we have web page description. This is where you explain the purpose of the page and why it matters. Be specific about the value. Something like a detailed guide that shows sales leaders how to use AI to improve prospecting, shorten sales cycles, and hit quota faster. Packed with tools, tips, and use cases. Once that's filled out, just click Add Content Focus, and you're ready to use it. You can now apply this content focus to any article inside your content queue. Now let's try it out. I'll select an article from my content queue called Top Strategies Sales Teams Can Use to Hit Quota Faster This Quarter. I assign the web page content focus that I've just created, set the AI writing assistant, and let it do its thing. Here's one paragraph from the finished draft, where the AI smoothly brings in the link. AI tools now play a growing role in this area too. They can find patterns in past deals and suggest ways to move leads forward faster. AI can even score prospects, so reps know who to call first based on real data instead of guessing. To learn more about how artificial intelligence improves prospecting and speeds up deal cycles, check out this guide on using AI for sales. It includes practical examples that teams can start using right away. By focusing efforts on smoother systems and fewer manual tasks, salespeople gain back valuable hours each week, time they can use on calls or meetings with buyers instead of clicking through screens or updating spreadsheets manually. This content focus keeps your strongest pages in play, helping readers explore more, stay longer, and follow a more intentional path through your content. If you've got high-value pages you want more people to see, go create your first web page content focus now and assign it to your next article. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.